Hello children, good morning everyone and welcome back to our class. So in your yesterday's class you discussed solving a pair of linear equations graphically children. So we have two methods for solving a pair of given linear equations. First one is graphical method, second one is algebraic method. So yesterday you discussed a graphical method of solving a pair of linear equations. Now in today's class let's consider one more example for the graphical method and check that whether they are consistent, inconsistent or whenever you plot the graph what sort of lines you will get children. So let's discuss children. Let us consider the example 3x minus 5y equal to 20. This is first equation. Second equation 6x minus 10y is equal to minus 40 children. Yes. First let's check the consistency here. Condition A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. A1 by A2 3 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. B1 by B2 is equal to 20 by minus 40. So 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 5 ones are 2s are 20 ones are 22s are. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 1 by 2 children. So here 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. So here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2. Yes children, here we check the consistency condition for the given pair of linear equation. So when this condition is satisfied, when you plot the graph, you will get parallel lines and it has no solution children. Parallel lines and no solution. So let's find the solution for each pair of linear equations, at least 2 or 3, and let's plot the graph for the given pair of linear equations and we'll verify children. Yes children. Let us take first equation 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and make y as the subject children. So minus 5y is equal to minus 3x plus 20. 3x when we transpose sign will alter children. Next y is equal to minus into minus plus. So 3 by 5x minus 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Y equal to 3 by 5x minus 4. This is the equation when you made y as the subject children. Now take the values for x and find the values of y. Now first x you take 0, y will be minus 4. X you take multiples of 5 children, so the denominator 5 and numerator multiples of 5 will get cancelled, so that it becomes easy to find the solutions children. X I will take 5. Y will be, here when you take x equal to 5, 5 cancels, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now x I will take minus 5. Yes children. So minus 5 if I take 3 by 5 of minus 5 minus 4. Minus 5 and this 5 cancels. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Y will be minus 7 children. Yes, if you can take 10 also. If you want to take x value as 10, what you will get here? X if you take 10, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Yes, these are the solutions for the given pair of for the given linear equation 3x minus 5y equal to 20 children. Now second equation also we will make y as the subject. Minus 10y is equal to minus 6x minus 40. Yes children. So now make y equal to minus into minus plus. So 6 by 10x. Again minus into minus plus 40 by 10. So 4s are. Y equal to 6 by 10x plus 4. This will be the pair of, this will be the equation when you make y as the subject children. So let's take here x multiples of x as 10. So that will be easy for you. First you take x 0 children, y will be 4. X you take 10 plus 10. So this 10 and the x value 10 get cancels over there. 6 plus 4 is 10. You will get y value. You take now minus 10. X is minus 10. So 6 by 10 of minus 10 plus 4. 10 cancels. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2 children. Next one more value. you can take 20 or minus 20. What you will get if you take minus 20? But minus 20 if you take, you can't plot on the graph, children, because scale we are taking it as on each centimeter box 155 or 1 unit we are taking. So if you want, you take, so 6 by 10 of minus 20 plus 4. So 10, this cancels. So 6 2s are 12, minus 12 plus 4, 8 you will get. X minus 20, y will be 8. Okay. So these are the solutions we got for the equation 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y equal to minus 40. So let's present this on the graph paper, children. Yes, children, now take the graph paper. Next, this is the coordinate plane you got. You divided the plane into 4 parts. And when you plot the graph for the first equation 3x minus 5y equal to 20, x is 0, y minus 4. So x is 0, y is minus 4. Down, children. Next, 5 minus 1. X is 5, y is minus 1. Here, children. Next, x is minus 5, y is minus 7. X is minus 5, y is minus 7. Next, x is 10, y is 2. X is 10 here, y is 2 here, children. So join these, you join the points, you got this line, children. This is the graph for the equation 3x minus 5y equal to 20, and for the next one 3x minus 10y equal to minus 40. When you plot, you got like this, children. So whenever you check this graph, you got parallel lines, children. So here, for the pair of given linear equations 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y equal to minus 40, when you plot the graph, you got parallel lines. Yes, children, next we completed the graphical part. No? Now next method of solving a pair of linear equations. So graphical method completed. Now next one is algebraic method. Algebraic method of solving linear equations. In that, first one is elimination method. Second one is substitution method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So in algebraic method, we have these 3 methods, children. So we are adopting these 3 methods to solve the pair of given linear equations. Clear? So let's discuss elimination method in today's class, children. So what is elimination method? Elimination method is nothing but we are eliminating by either x term or y term or any one of the variable term by making their coefficients equal, children. Yes, children, is it clear? In elimination method, we are eliminating either x or y or any one of the variable terms by making their coefficients equal. So let's take an example and we'll solve by using elimination method, children. So let's consider one example. 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Next one, 2x plus 3y equal to 4. So 3x plus 2y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y equal to 4. This is first equation you name, this is second equation you name. So here we have to solve this, children. So first you check the condition whether they have solution or not. So here 3 by 2, a1 by a2 is 3 by 2, 2 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 3, children. Here a1 by a2 is 3 by 2. b1 by b2 is 2 by 3. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So it has a solution and it has unique solution, children. Isn't it? So now let's solve this. So we'll make y terms equal, children. So multiply this or y or x, anything you can make. So here I'll make y terms equal. Coefficients of y equal I'll make. Now here you multiply this first equation with 3 and second equation with 2, so that you will get 6y and 6y. So 3 2s are 3 3s are 9x. Whole equation you are multiplying with 3 plus 3 2s are 6y, 11 3s are 33. So this is third equation. Next 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y. 4 2s are 8. This is the fourth equation. Now here subtract the fourth equation from the third equation, children. Plus 6y minus 6y cancels. 9x minus 4x. So that 9 minus 4 is 5x. Here 33 minus 8 is 25. So 5 ones are 5 5s are. X equal to 5 we got, children. Now substitute x equal to 5 in any one of the equation, either first one or second one, you will get value of y, children. So 3x plus 2y equal to 11. So 3 of x is 5 plus 2y equal to 11. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2y equal to 11. 2y is equal to 11 minus 15. Now 2y is equal to minus 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Y equal to minus 2, children. So you got x equal to 5, y equal to minus 2. So x comma y equal to 5 comma minus 2. So in that way you have to solve the given pair of linear equations. If they ask you to solve by elimination method, children, you are eliminating either any one of the variable term by making their coefficients equal. Yes, children, just check once. We'll go for one more example. Yes, now let's take another example. Now 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Second example, 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Next, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So this is first equation, this is second equation. So we eliminated y terms in previous case. Now let's eliminate x terms and check. So make x terms equal. Coefficients of x should be same. So here you multiply with 3, here you multiply with 8, children. First equation you are multiplying with 3. Second equation you are multiplying with 8. So 3 8s are 24x. 3 5s are 15y is equal to 3 9s are 27. This is third equation. Next 8 3s are 24x plus 8 2s are 16y. 4 8s are 32. This is fourth equation. Yes, children, subtract third equation from 4, children. So 24x plus 15y is equal to 27. So we are taking third equation 24x plus 15y equal to 27 and we are subtracting from the fourth equation. On subtracting, signs will alter. So plus 24x minus 24x get cancels. 16 minus 15 is 1y. So y. 32 minus 27 is 5. So we got y equal to 5, children. Now let's substitute y value in any one of the equation and let's find the value for x, children. So I'll take first equation. 8x plus 5y equal to 9. 8x plus 5 of 5 because y value is 5 equal to 9. 8x is plus 25 is equal to 9. 8x equal to 9 minus 25. So 8x is equal to 9 minus 25 is minus 16. So 8 1s are 8 2s are x equal to minus 2. So we got x equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. So x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 5. Yes, children. In that way you have to solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. So if apart from the assignment, homework will be given to you. I'll write and I'll WhatsApp to you, children. Thank you, children. In next class we will discuss about the substitution method of solving pair of linear equations.